got a bending jig, right? But we need to bend the arc of the center panel. This is bendable plywood, right? Sometimes people call it bender board, wiggle wood. We got a couple sheets of our crappy walnut veneer, right? This is gonna make a sandwich. We're gonna end up with something that looks kind of like that. Gonna put a bunch of these cloths in here, right? Let that air move around. Come off here. Give ourselves a nice panel, right? See, it lines up really nice. Cut a rabbit along the back side here, and then slide that thing in over a nice center panel.